Hi there! In this short tutorial I will show you how to install the new Ubuntu 20 LTS 64-bit operating system on a Raspberry Pi 4. We will do that without attaching a keyboard, a mouse or a screen to the Raspberry Pi, so it will be a headless installation, and we will also enable Wi-Fi. This video will be a base for future Raspberry Pi 4 related videos, so if you like it, please consider subscribing. And of course, if you're new to the channel, let me introduce myself. My name is László, and my videos deal with home automation, home networking, and sometimes with DIY electronics and 3D printing. Anyway, let's do the installation now. As you will see, Ubuntu 20 can be installed just as easily as Raspbian. But first, let's get the image. So, interestingly, you won't be able to download it from the usual location where Ubuntu releases are, because these are all for PC version. But instead, there's a separate page dedicated for the Raspberry Pi, and I will put the link into the description. So here we can grab the 64-bit image and download it, and then we can use a tool like Etcher to write it into an SD card. So you load up your image into Etcher, then burn it onto an SD card as the usual. As soon as flashing is complete, you can just reinsert your SD card, because we will need to edit a file. So there's a new partition on your SD card called System Boot, and there should be a file called network config. Now open this with any text editor, because this is just a text file, a configuration file to be precise. And here we go. So you can see there's an example here on for configuring Wi-Fi, and this is really an easy one. You just need to uncomment these lines and assuming your Wi-Fi doesn't have anything too specific, you can just have your SSID here and then your password here. So let me do that for my own Wi-Fi. Then let's try booting the Raspberry Pi. And here we go, the drill is the usual. So we have booted something with DHCP, which means that we don't know the IP address assigned by the router. So you just go to your router's web interface and we'll check for the hostname. Hostname is Ubuntu, so you will have to find the IP address by this hostname. In my case, this is this one. So I will just start an SSH client called PuTTY, but you can use any SSH client, and we will log into that Raspberry Pi. So here we go, first login, and during the first login you have to type in the username, which is Ubuntu, and then the password is Ubuntu also. Boom, there we go. So our server is running, and during the first login you have to change the password, starting with the old password, then the new password, then the new password again, followed by logging in once again, now this time with the new password. And here we go, we have our Ubuntu server up and running, purely based on Wi-Fi, so no network connection, no display, no keyboard, no mouse whatsoever. And yeah, this will be a base for my future projects, so stay tuned. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this, hope it helped some of you at least, and see you again next week. Bye! Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit like. If you want to help my channel and see more of my content, hit subscribe. If you want to check out behind the scenes and want to know more about me, then follow me on social media. You can find the links here. Thank you again and see you next time.